Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So, how are you doing?
Fine, sir.
Okay. So, in last class, what we have discussed?
Sir.
Arithmetic progression, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, in this class, we'll continue with that. We'll do the same. Just 1 second. Chalo. So, guys, tell me what are the things we have what are the things we have learned in yesterday's class? Can anyone of you please summarize that?
Sir, can I?
Yes. Everyone first turn on your cameras. Yes, tell me, come on.
Sir, we started with arithmetic progression.
Hmm.
We learned what is a series, what is progression, and we discussed few examples of arithmetic progression.
Hmm.
We discussed the parts. We discussed what is common difference, what is n number of terms,
Hmm.
and then if the number of terms are arithmetic, if common difference is positive,
Hmm.
the arithmetic progression is increasing. If it is zero, it will be constant. If it is negative, it will be decreasing.
Hmm.
Then we learned about finite and
Yes,
infinite
stop.
arithmetic
1 second.
progression.
Yes, now Tanvi will talk about this thing. Yes, Tanvi, please. Tanvi, you must talk, Tanvi. You
Yes,
have to talk in the class. So there is nothing like you should feel shy. You should not ask anything to the sir. So it's not like that. You can feel free to ask whatever you feel, whatever the doubts you have, you can ask. You should talk. Yes. Everyone first turn on your cameras. Yes.
yes.
Mm.
So then we learned about finite and infinite AP, general terms of AP, and then we learned the formula for the sum of terms in an AP system.
Okay. What is the formula for sum? What is the formula for sum of n terms in AP?
So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Yes. So n by 2 is equal to a plus nth term formula. Isn't it? A plus nth term formula is what? A plus n minus b. So a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1d. N minus 1d. That's what we have learned. Yes, Pratyusha. You just talk. Pratyusha, tell me. I request you to turn on your cameras and talk something in a class. बात करना चाहिए. बात करेंगे तभी तो हम लोग बहुत क्या बोलते हैं ये आजकल दुनिया में थोड़ा सरवाइव होंगे हम लोग. आजकल दुनिया में सरवाइव होने के लिए हम लोग बात करना चाहिए बेटा. बात करिए. टॉक समथिंग. एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ. यस. आशीष, turn on your camera. Pratyusha, turn on your camera. Yes, tell me. Pratyusha ji, are you here?
So actually, I wasn't there at the last part of the class.
Why didn't you go through your class? No, recorded class.
So no, sir.
Why? You should have, right? What about Pratibha? You turn on your camera first. Pratibha, Pratyusha, both. Hmm. बताइए. What is the reason behind not attending the last class?
तो पावर कट हो गया था.
Okay. मोबाइल नहीं था आपके पास?
मोबाइल से नहीं होता है,
क्या नहीं होता है?
ज्वाइनिंग में प्रॉब्लम होता है।
चैनल में प्रॉब्लम होता है। अच्छा, तो मोबाइल में मोबाइल में उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा ज्वाइन करने में, क्या इतना प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? Like you should not like be that bunking the class. You should not bunk the classes. All right. Every class, हर एक क्लास को अटेंड करना चाहिए। प्रत्युषा, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग माय पॉइंट? ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
just go through the recorded class and just okay. Yes, Ashish, tell me, Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, what do you mean by arithmetic progression? So yes, no, don't refer the notes, you just look at the camera and talk. Yes.
Sir, arithmetic progressions are natural numbers which go in a sequence.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Tell me. Yes, Anudeep, what is it? What? Anudeep, sorry, Prince Ashish. What happened, Ashish?
Sir, may or else the difference between the two numbers are constant or equal. The difference between each number in the arithmetic progression is constant.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. So, what do you mean by progression? What is common difference? Everyone turn on your camera.
Sir, common difference is the difference between two constants in an arithmetic progression.
Two consecutive terms.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. Difference between two consecutive terms in AP. Yes. What is that? That is common difference.
Common difference.
Okay. So now, Himanshu, these guys are. See why you guys are late. Diksha, Batina, Diksha ji.
Was at 6:30.
Sorry,
I thought the class was at 6:30.
I just texted right 6:15 to 7:15.
Yeah, sir, I thought we would have physics class today, so I thought it would be at 6:30.
Okay, turn on your cameras, everyone, and tell me what did you learn from the last class? Himanshu, Ahil, Diksha, Srija, everyone. Tushar, I think Tushar is facing some problem to join the session. Yes, tell me. Hello, Diksha Bachana, did you present for the last class? I'm asking you.
Oh, sir, yeah, we learned about common difference, finite and infinite,
Did you
arithmetic progression.
present?
No, sir, I wasn't feeling well.
Okay. So
I
try to,
watched the recording. No.
yes, you have gone through the class. What we have learned? Tell me.
We have learned about common difference and finite and infinite arithmetic progression.
Which chapter we started with?
Chapter 5,
What is that name?
arithmetic progressions.
Okay, arithmetic progressions. What do you mean by arithmetic progression?
I think it's like the difference between two consecutive numbers.
It's supposed to be concept. Some chotu bacha is like talking in the side next to you. Who is that?
Sir, it's my sister.
Okay, ask her to go somewhat far. Yes.
Yeah, 1 second, sir.
Hmm. Chalo, arithmetic mean. Next, we'll start with arithmetic mean now. Sum of yearn terms.
Sir, arithmetic mean is in probability chapter. Sir.
No, that is different.
Stat-
The mean, that is statistic. You are talking about mean,
Yes,
right?
sir, statistics.
Mean, that is from statistics. That is different. Then this is different. Mean means finding average. Okay, finding an average.
Sir,
Arithmetic.
no, sir. In that statistics, there was a formula. No, sir. AM is
Yes,
equal
yes,
to
yes. That is a
EFI.
mean. That is a mean. Mean means finding an average. So that is the difference in this one.
So their A means average, sir.
Where A means?
In statistics.
No, it is not like that. So we'll be finding sum of. Sum is equal to 1 to n of all xi's divided by n. This is what our formula. All right. So इसका formula होता है हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We'll be adding all the terms divided by number of terms. That is what mean. Mean is like an average. It is like an average. You understand?
That's for ungrouped data.
Yes. Ungrouped data. All right. We'll be discussing. Don't worry. We'll discuss it. So let us finish this chapter. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic not sum. Arithmetic mean. Sorry. Arithmetic mean. Which means AM. We'll be starting with AM. So a new student has joined, Riaz. Who's that? Riaz? Are you here, Riaz?
Sir,
Yes, Riaz.
name, sir. Akil, sir. Sir is Akil, not Riyad, sir.
Sorry,
Sir is Akil.
Akil. Yes,
Yeah,
Akil. Turn
yes,
on your
sir.
cameras. Turn on your cameras, Akil. Okay. Arithmetic mean. So what do you mean by arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is simple like an average. See, in statistics also we are going to learn mean. That is the same like as average only. Here arithmetic mean is nothing but average only. Average of a given set of numbers. For we'll be having a group of data. For that finding an average, right? So arithmetic means what? Sum of numbers divided by total number of numbers. What is that? The formula of statistics is different than with this one, guys. Formula, we will be finding some x, as I told you, summation of I is equal to 1 to n of xi divided by n, I told you, right? So that is a different here. This is different. Here we'll be writing like, see, sum of all elements. So which means if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is my couple of I have elements from 1 to 10. So I'll ask you to find mean of this. Mean is simple, nothing but finding an average of that. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till 10 divided by 10. वो होगा हमारा क्या होगा? Arithmetic mean. So let us write a proper definition of this. Arithmetic mean is the simple average of a given set of numbers. So basically AM, arithmetic mean will be writing as sum of all terms divided by number of terms. द बेसिक फॉर्मूला, ठीक है। सी an AM arithmetic mean can be calculated or defined.
Sir, take Akhil in, sir.
Defined for any set of numbers, any set of numbers and numbers.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, Akhil को अंदर लो ना sir.
yes.
Sir, Akhil, take Akhil in, sir. He is in waiting room, sir.
Okay, so ask him to join on time. Okay, the numbers need not necessarily, you write not necessarily not necessarily be in order, sorry, be in an arithmetic progression, ठीक है. So we can calculate it. See here, so arithmetic mean can be calculated or defined for any set of numbers, and numbers need not necessarily be in an AP. So the order could be anything, guys, need not to be in AP actually. Understand? So basically, what is the formula? The sum of all terms divided by number of terms. But in statistics, the formula is different, and here the formula is different. Formula will be like intention. The meaning is same, but the formula will be writing like y is equal to 1 to n. You can write that. We'll be using statistical words over there. But let us write simple formula over here. So whenever we are in statistics lesson, we'll be discussing about that in a deep way. Clear? So now adding pattern, adding pattern in an AP, adding pattern. So you write here the sum of two terms that are equidistant from either end of an AP is constant. So look at this sum of two terms that are equidistant from either end. Either end means from both ends. From both ends of an AP series is going to be constant. Let us talk about an example. So first, suppose if I take 3, let us say 8, 3, you say 5, or let us say 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, dash. All right. So how many terms you have here? This is my first term. Let us denote with T1. This is my second term, T2. This is T3, T4, T5. This is T6. All right. So now, guys, look at this here. Either, see, if I talk about last two terms, look at this one and this one, and the T1 plus T6, either ends. So first, here also first, here from the first, that number is supposed to be first, from the last also it's supposed to be first. All right, T1 plus T6. What is the sum of these two now? I'm going to get 21.
21.
So second, from the second last, T2 plus T5 is equal to what? 6 plus 15. Look at this, here also 21. Now T3 plus T4, 9 plus 12, here also 21. Look at this. So equal, look at this, what I said. Now we understand this. The sum of two terms that are equidistant from either end of the AP is constant. Look at this. Either end of the AP is what? Constant. Look at this. 21, 21, 21. Everywhere is this 21. Clear? You understand, children? So what do you understand from that? So now, sir, will it be following for only 6 elements? If I have 10 elements, look at this 3. Let us say if I have 3 elements. So 10 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, T10 elements I have. So now look at this here. This is my T1. This is my T10. If I add T1 plus T10, what I'm going to get? 1 plus 10, which is going to give me 11. Now this is my T2. So T2 plus T9. T2 plus T9 is going to what? 2 plus 9. It is also 11. So vice versa. If you calculate for everything, you are going to get constant only. So sum of two terms
Sir?
which are equidistant from either end is going to be always constant. Yes. Yes. Tell me, who is that?
Yes, sir. Sir, is it the same case with an odd, if suppose the middle term in an
Yes.
odd AP, if we add the middle term with itself one more time, then also it will be same?
So if you have odd number of series, you mean, look at this. I understood your point. See here. So if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you're talking about this one, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Now you just understand this. This plus this, how much? 6. This plus this, how much? 6. You'll be remaining with the 3 here. So 3 will be 3 only there. Clear? All right.
Yes, sir.
So 3 means what here? That is a mean, basic average. Look at this. That is a mean. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is equal to this. This plus this. This plus this. 3 is what here? Average. All right. That is average. So even you calculate what is average here, mean, arithmetic mean is what here? Calculate this. Divided by how many elements? 5 elements. So 15 by 5. Look at this, 3 only I'm getting, which is the middle term. Look at this. Clear? That is an average.
Yes,
all right. Chalo. Sum of, now let us talk about now. So now we have learned this one, right? We have learned this one. We have learned this one. Now let us say this is not there. Okay. So now what is the formula? What is the formula for this? Algebraically, you can express this as how? TR plus TR plus Tn minus R plus 1 is equal to constant. Is equal to constant. All right. TR plus Tn minus R plus 1 is equal to constant. So first suppose if I take R value as what? 9. Sorry. R value as 9. Whatever you take. Whatever you take. Total number of numbers. If I have 10 means. Oh. This is the formula for this. If I have total number of n is what? Total number of elements. And R is what over there? What is R? Can you please tell me what is R? What is R? First of all, look at this here. This is my R here. First suppose if I talk about that particular element, particular term. So if I talk about, if I'm calculating third term, let us say T3 and T. How many elements I had here? How many elements I had? 6 elements, right? Total 6. So 6 minus R is what here? 3 plus 1. Look at this. So T3 plus 4. Look at this. That is what I got here, isn't it? Yes or no? TR is that particular position of the element. N is what? Total number of elements. Total I had 6 elements. So that's how I'm calculating it. Clear? This is the basic algebraic, representation or algebraic representation. Clear? Yes. All right. Now let us talk about sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. What is the formula for this? Sum of first n natural numbers. First, suppose if I ask you to add sum of first 100 numbers, How would you do that? If I ask you to add sum of first 100 numbers,
-1, sir.
We'll use the formula.
yes, look at this. That formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula for this. Sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n terms in a arithmetic progression, what I told you, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. That's all the formula. But sum of n natural numbers is this one. So if I ask you one more thing here, sum of squares of n natural numbers. Sum of squares of n natural numbers. So which is going to give me n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Already you might have learned in your previous earlier classes, isn't it? 9th standard, isn't it? So now one more formula we have learned. What is that? Any one of you? Tell me, guys. In 9th standard, you might have learned, guys, what is the one more formula? Hello, sum of n natural numbers you have learned. Sum of squares of n natural numbers. Sum of cubes of. Haven't you learned? Sum of cubes of n natural numbers. What is that? What is that? N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Same as like as sum of n natural numbers, but we have to do whole square. Look at this, same as like as this formula, but we have to make whole square for this. Clear? So now guys, look at this. So we will solve first basic examples related to this. The questions will be like first question. Now we have done with our introduction part, introduction to that. So now let us solve the questions now. Guys, so last 5 minutes. All right, last 5 minutes I'm going to conduct a quiz. All right, so at 7:15, 7:7, you remind me at 7:7 that, sir, let us write a quiz. I'll conduct a quiz on arithmetic progression. All right.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At 7 p.m. you just remind me, so that let us settle up at 7:10. So let us start at 7:10 and wind up at 7:15. So only very few questions we'll be writing, or else, let me remind at 7 o'clock. Let me start at 7 o'clock. Remind me at 7 and let us settle up. So first quiz will be for 10 minutes, and eventually we'll be reducing the time. So second quiz will be reducing for 8 minutes or 5 minutes. All right, so next time we'll be reducing for 3 minutes. So you have to solve quickly, and the number of questions also we can settle up over there. So 15, if it is a 15 question, you have to make it out in 5 minutes. So 15 questions, 5 minutes. All right, so like that we can able to solve over there. So but now we'll start solving the questions now. If the first term of an arithmetic progression is 67 and the common difference is equal to -13. Common difference is -13 given. Find the sum of the first 20 terms. Find the sum of the first 20 terms. How can we make it out? Guys, you keep solving your exercise problems. I'm not going to teach your NCERT sums here. So hereafter I'll be teaching like R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, whatever the book you have. So we'll be teaching the sums from that. We'll be taking the sums from that and we'll be able to solve. We'll be solving those sums, but not from your NCERT. So guys, in your 10th exam also, they are not, none of the questions would come from your NCERT. But concept, yes, of course the concept will come, but the questions, no question, none of the questions will come from your textbook. As it is question, concept will come. As it is question, they never give. You have to be so clear with your concept. Yes, solve this question with the first term. First term enna? First, what is the meaning of first term? First term I'll be denoting with A. First term I will be 67. And what I told you, common difference. Common difference is what? D. D is what? Minus 13. He's asking for find the sum of the first 20 terms. N is what here? N is what? 20. Sum of the first 20 terms. What I told you the formula? First 20. He is talking about AP, right? AP series. Look at this. AP. Arithmetic progression sum. What is the formula I told you? Sum of
n into n plus 1 by 2.
What is some formula? Some formula I told you that Sn, sum of n numbers will be denoted with n. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This was a formula, right? So sum of n means 20. Sum of 20 numbers is equal to 20 by 2 into 2 into a 67 plus n minus 1 into common difference is what? Minus 13. Now calculate this. How easy it is. Look at this. How simple it is. So sum of A is sum of 20 sums. So 10 into 67 into 2 how much? 67 to how much? 134 minus 19 into 13 how much? 19 into 13. So 19 20 minus 1 which gives me 19. So plus 19 into 13 gives me, you write 247, isn't it? Is it correct? Yes, 247. Yeah, plus 9. Yes, minus correct only. So yes, 20 is equal to 10 into minus how much? 311. So 113. So yes, 20 is equal to minus 1130. All right, all right, this is the question, this is the answer. All right, any doubts here? Shall we go for the next question?
Yes.
Shall we go for the next question? Look at it. Any doubts, ma? Anyone of you are not understanding here? Hello,
Understood, sir.
everyone. What about others?
Yes, I understood.
Yeah.
I'm asking everyone, not only, I'm not asking Prince, I'm not asking Anudeep, I'm not asking, limited children. I'm asking to everyone,
Yes, sir, understood.
Good. What about others?
No, understood.
What about others? Everyone.
Yes, sir, understood.
Shall I call your name this individually and ask whether you understood or not? I'm asking everyone, you should say everyone should respond, beta. All right. So look at this question. Solve this question. And the common difference is equal to the number of terms. Then find the common difference, or else you write find D of the AP. What is D here? Common difference you have to find out. Look at this. Make it fast, guys. Make it fast. One second. Let me have some water, please. Done. So n given 441, n minus 1 given 356. Guys, any doubts here?
No, sir.
What's the answer?
No.
What's the answer? Answer क्या है बताओ? Look at this. He has given sum of n and n minus 1 terms of AP is given that 441 and 356 respectively. Okay. तो दिया है Sn is equal to 441. All right. And Sn minus 1 is equal to 356. All right. And first term का AP क्या है? Which means A. You write a given data. A is equal to 13. And the common difference is equal to the number of terms. What he has given? So common difference is equal to number of terms. Number of terms is what? N here. So now we know one formula. From this, all this stuff, I can use one formula. What is that? Sn, which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay. So n is equal to what here? N is equal to n minus 1. Can I write?
No, sir.
What is the last term here? What is the last term? Last term will be denoted by what?
4. No.
So if now how I am going to calculate this Sn? Tell me. Think.
Sir, 441 is equal to
441 is equal to.
Sir, last term would be 441 minus 356.
Yes. How? See,
Sir,
I know the
because-
formula. Formula for AN. What is the formula for AN? Any term, like any term. What is the formula? See here, 441. It's the number of terms. Can I understand this one by using this one? If I subtract 440, total number of terms, Sn. Sum of all these terms, 441 terms. Sum of n terms is this one, 441 minus 356. If I do, what I'm going to get?
So we get 85.
You get 85. What is that 85?
So that is AN.
How? How it is AN? But what is the formula I told you? Tell me here. AN formula.
An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d.
So A, first term plus common difference plus n minus 1th term. So now can I say that I need to find out here, I need to find out AN. Isn't it? For finding AN. So here I'm using first term into n minus 1d term. So number of total terms into the common difference. Now if I subtract the first Sn 441 minus 356, won't I get AN?
Yes,
Won't I
sir.
get AN? So look at this here. Listen to me carefully. So what is AN here? AN is what? 85. AN is what? 85. 85 is equal to now what? A plus n minus 1d, no?
Yes,
A plus
sir.
n minus 1d, no? Yes or no? A plus n minus 1d. Now if I since d is equal to n given, d is equal to n given here. So d is equal to n means what? A plus n minus 1 into n. Okay. So what I'm going to get here? A value is what here? 13 plus 85, na? 13. N minus n square minus n. Okay. So what I'm going to get here? N square minus n is equal to 72. आया समझ? Factorization by using quadratic equation. Factor 72. So 9 8s are 72. So n common. So 9 8 common n minus 9. So n का वैल्यू क्या मिला मुझे? 9 और n is equal to -8. n is equal to -8 तो not possible ना?
Sir, how did you get x square minus 9n?
भाई देखो अरे यार factorization, splitting middle term.
Yes, sir. Yes.
N minus 9 into n plus 8 is equal to 0. N minus 9 is equal to 0 and n plus 8 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 8. It is not possible. N can be. N is what your number of terms. So total 9 terms I have here. So total 9 terms I have. So मुझे मिला है अभी. So therefore n is equal to d, right? N is equal to d means मुझे n क्या मिला है? 9 मिला है. तो common difference भी क्या है? d है. N is equal to भी क्या है? 9 है. तो total I have 9 terms which I have a common difference as 9. आया समझ? So guys, this is what we can solve it out. So now let us have a quiz on this simple quiz. Shall we?
Yes.
Guys, tomorrow we'll solve very basic sums tomorrow. Don't worry. So I think it's 7 now. Yeah, 7. So we'll solve the quiz. One second, guys. Be alert. Yes. 1 second. I think let me share this, guys. Have you ever attempted this? Have you attempted the quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
It's a very fun.
क्या बोल रहा है? Hmm. 15 questions, 10 questions, 10 questions. Yes, 10 questions will solve. Start a live quiz, classic. Continue. Guys, look at this. I'll be sharing this I'll be sharing this thing with you all. Copy. Chalo. See guys, you can start. I'm just posting the link. So join everyone immediately. Join this quiz immediately. Make it fast. Have you joined?
No, sir. Wait, sir.
Shall I start? I can start it.
Sir, wait.
फटाफट ज्वाइन कीजिए फटाफट. Shall I?
Yes, sir. You can.
Yes. Guys, be ready. Chalo. Everyone should attend this. Yes. Turn on your cameras. Don't copy. Don't do. Yes, make it fast. Only 7 members have joined. What about others, guys? Everyone joined? Everyone joined the session? Diksha, where are you, Diksha? Have you joined?
It's still saying loading for me.
It's loading for you.
Yeah.
What happened?
Sorry, one for me. So
Look again.
Okay, rejoin immediately.
Sir, did you send? Where did you send?
अरे भाई चैट बॉक्स देखिए, चैट बॉक्स, इन चैट बॉक्स. Shall I resend that? Shall I resend it?
No need, sir. I got it.
Ayo, what happened? Chalo, Mohammed Shadab is doing good. So 3 consecutive right answers. Pratyusha, 2 consecutive right answers. Oil doing good job. Steve Benjamin doing X. Okay. Diksha has joined. Okay, everyone joined? Everyone
sir,
joined?
it's not coming for me, sir.
Tanvi, you are? Tanvi, who's that? Who's that?
Tanvi,
Tanvi.
sir.
Yes, Tanvi. What happened, Tanvi? Why?
Sir, I don't know. Sir, it's showing blank.
Rejoin it. I think you don't have proper network connection. I think so. Yes, Rija, you join yourself now. Srija, are you here? Srija has texted us, sir, with a new device. Make it fast. Done. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes, guys. Make it fast.
Ted,
Sorry?
sir,
Yes.
sir, completed.
Very good. So let me wind up now. Last a minute. Last minute, guys. Shall we wind up? Shall I end? Shall I end, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about others? Everyone done? Chalo. Let me end. Time up, guys. Time up. Last 10 seconds. Time up. Come on. Time up. Time up. Time up. Ting, 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 ting. Done. Chalo. End. I end. Okay, Pratibha, Akhil, Ahil. Acha, Ahil got first rank. Congratulations, beta. Ahil ji, congratulations. Akhil second rank. Pratibha third. Steve Benjamin fourth. Shraddha fifth. Pratyusha sixth. Diksha seventh. Tanvi is eighth. Ashish. Ayo, Tanvi, you started late, right?
Yes, sir.
Ayo, Ashish. Ashish, why couldn't you? Ashish has solved only 2 questions correct. Anjub has solved only 1 question correct. Why Ashish and why Anjub?
Sir, I'm not able to understand.
Okay, this question, this quiz questions. Okay, no issues, no issues. You just go through this and look at this. Here we have questions here. So the list of numbers. 1 second. So yes, you can go through this actually. So many of you, Ahil has done 5 questions correct and 5 questions wrong.
Sir, in quizzes only teachers can see the answers correct. We can't see the answers correct.
Acha, you cannot see the answers correct. Okay. Okay. So then you have correct. You have just solved 5 questions correct. Which are first one?
Sir, we can see.
Then he's saying we can't see.
Sir, we can see.
We can see, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Then. Okay, beta. Okay. Good. Very good. Chalo. So
Sir, another quiz.
another quiz. Bhai, time nahi hai. So we'll have probably day after tomorrow whenever
Yes,
our
sir.
next class. So we'll have definitely we'll have every day we'll have a quiz. So the first question is, what was the first quiz? The list of the numbers 10 minus 6 minus 2, 2 is what? We have to write common difference. The common difference is what? What is the common difference? We have to find minus 10 minus 6. It is going in a series. Common difference is what there? 4. So difference is 4. So the sequence minus here also common difference is 4. Second, third question. Guys, can you able to see the first question? The list of numbers minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, comma 2. The list of numbers, what is that? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you understand that? Can you see the screen? Can you see the question here? Can you see this question? Look at this. Can you see this question? Look at it. I'm just the list of numbers minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. So it is in AP series. It is in arithmetic progression. What is the common difference over there? D. The difference between minus 10 and minus 6, how much? Difference. Kitna number difference hai? How many numbers we have difference? 4 numbers. Right? So the common difference is 4. That is the answer. Look at the second question. 1 second. What is the second question? Look at the second question. What is the first positive term of the sequence? Tell me. Minus 5, minus 5, so minus 9, minus 5, minus 1, dash. What was the option given that 5? 5 is wrong. Again 4.
3.
2019 term of an AP is written as what? 2019th term. So N is what here? Hello. 2019th term of an AP written as what? 2019th term means I'm writing nth term. Nth term formula is what?
Sir.
Tn.
A plus.
A plus 201800 and 2018D. That is the right answer.
Yes, sir.
So here the next term of AP, root 7, root 28, root 63, dash, 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 dash. Dekho 4 multiple. I mean, so root 7, root 28, root 63. And what is the next term? Tell me. What is the next term of AP? Tell me. Hello. What is the common difference? Tell me. 21. Is that it? Not 21. What is the common difference here? Guys, 7 root 2. 7 root 2. Look at this as root 7 and root 28 can be written as 2 root 7 and root 63 can be written as what? 7 root 3 and vice versa. So what is that next series? Guys, root 7 as this, root 28 can be written as 7 into 4. 7 into 4 means 2 root 7 and root 63 can be written as 9 7s. 9 7s means 9 into 7 root 3 root 7. So 2 root 7, 3 root 7, 4 root 7. 4 root 7 is what here? 16 sevens, 1, 1, 12. So next term is 4 root 7. Clear? Like that you have to identify. Yes, we have like this, we have so many questions like this. Please go through this if possible, through this quiz again. So if it is possible, guys, you can reattempt this quiz again. All right. All right, children. So just go through, revise all the questions, and we'll have this kind of,
Okay, sir.
we'll have multiple quizzes like this. So possible, if possible, all the classes will have quizzes. If you want me to conduct in all the classes, if you want me to conduct the quiz, then I'll be conducting for last 5 minutes, last 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are
Thank
you?
you, sir.
Yes. Are you loving having this kind of quizzes? Do you like to
Yes,
have
sir.
quizzes?
Very funny, sir.
Above. Great. What about others? Everyone?
Sir, it is good.
What about others?
It's nice, sir.
See, don't bother about your result. You just try to understand that. What about others, children? Are you guys able to understand?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
guys able
Nice.
to-
Yes.
Okay. Okay, children. Then let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you.